of Exor at the Industrial Automation Expo in Mumbai, and I have with me Mr. Varun Arora, who is the General Manager of Exor in India. Sir, let me begin by asking you, Exor is pushing edge and web-based HMI. Is that actually replacing traditional panel HMIs in Indian plants or still running alongside them?
There are two things basically. The brownfield projects, they want to upgrade the traditional HMIs with the new ones, but not in all the lines. In greenfield projects, where completely new machines and new setup is coming, they want to go with edge-based devices so that they can have the cloud connectivity, the IoT implementation, Industry 4.0 implementation. So it's basically a mix of both. It is not that the edge-based HMIs are replacing the traditional ones, but both are running together in the industry.
What is driving that upgrade? Better visuals or actual processing powers needed at the edge?
So it is not only for the visualization. Visualization also plays a major role when we are working for the complex graphs, reports, because it gives a better visual appeal to the operator. It is mainly happening because of the processing power, because with edge devices and lots of data being collected from the shop floor, which has to be sent to cloud, people are looking for devices which can perform all those tasks locally. And with our current upgrades, we are moving towards 1.6 GHz CPU, 2 GB RAM, FRAM, 8 GB flash memory, multiple Ethernet ports which are physically isolated. One device which can perform multiple operations simultaneously. That is what is driving the change from our traditional HMIs to edge devices.
Where is Exor India's customer base coming from? I mean, is it the machine tool builders putting HMIs on their systems or equipments or plants retrofitting the old panels?
Since long time, the main segment has been OEM, machine builders, SPMs and system integrators. Because when we want to go to end users, they are not looking to upgrade or change only the HMIs. They want to upgrade the complete system where the system integrators come into picture. And on the other hand, when we are supplying our devices, the 𝗘𝗱𝗴𝗏 solution to OEMs, it adds value for them also. So it is mix of OEMs, machine builders and system integrators, which is our focus.
The HMIs which are there right now, they sound great on paper. Does it actually hold up with the network reliability on the Indian factory floor?
Network, if you are talking about the local Ethernet network, there, yes, lot of devices and networking is available, which runs perfectly as per requirement. And with our devices which are supporting 1 giga speeds, we are able to match up to those requirements. But when we talk about the internet connectivity or internet network, then yes, it depends on the internet supplier. If we talk about the network reliability or the safety or security of the data which we are sending or receiving, our 𝗘𝗱𝗏 platforms is cyber security certified. We do have ISO 27001 certification for 𝗘𝗱𝗏 network. Network provider will play a major role. Reliability wise, we have our platform secured for that.
How are you looking at the MSME part of it? The MSME is in a position to actually embrace this technology so that their shop floors, their factory floors become more efficient and more productive?
I think you are underestimating the Indian MSME sector. And not only MSME, even the SMEs are now using lot of automation products, including PLC, HMI, drives, SCADA, even cloud. They have started to talk about it. They are exploring the options, and I'm sure the days are not far when they will start to provide better and better solutions for their end users. So yes, they are using a lot, and the trend is even on the better side or advancement side. So they are moving towards more and more automized solutions for their machines.
Where are the Indian manufacturers failing, according to you, when it comes to technology adoption?
I will not say failing, but yes, there is a big lag compared to developed countries, or if we talk about China or some other economies. Major reason, as far as I understand, one is we don't want to explore lot of options because it takes time to change. We are comfortable what we are doing. When I say we, means I am picking off our industry at large, and change brings some difficulties also. There are always teething troubles. When we see or listen to some big buzzwords, like when Industry 4.0 started few years back, people were not very comfortable. This is going to be a big change. How will we survive? But see now, even small machine manufacturers, they are adopting this particular technology. We are not failing, but we are lagging. Of course, with more and more knowledge available now to all the players, we will catch up.
How has been your experience in this expo? You have been participating for almost how many years now?
Difficult to remember. It's been a long time, but I'm sure more than 15 years now. It's like an annual ritual coming here, participating. There is always a very good footfall. We look forward for this year also.